Oh, you're here. Well, I have a story to tell you. It starts when Windows 95 was new. At the time, it was hard to program microcontrollers. You needed expensive custom tools, UV programmers, and erasers just to make a simple LED flash. Well, a company called Parallax took off-the-shelf components, wrote some clever software, and made it easy to do just that, programming in BASIC. Here's that simple program with a delay generated by counting to 1,000 and turning that LED on and off. That same device is still available today, which is good, but it never got updated with a modern set of components. Here's that same program in a modern BASIC that's compiled for a new ARM processor. Let's see, that built-in LED doesn't seem to be flashing. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, that same program, rather than flashing around once every second, is running 700 times faster. So what are we using to build this? We start with the same pinout as that earlier part. That earlier part is programmed with an RS-232 connection. When was the last time you saw an RS-232 on a personal computer? Luckily, I still had a RS-232 to USB cable lying around. So instead of RS-232, we use a processor with built-in USB support. That processor also has a lot more flash and RAM memory as well as more pins, so let's bring those pins out as well, but keep that 24-pin internal arrangement. Since we used a micro USB connector, you're probably like me and you have a lot of spare power supplies and cables lying around. Another feature we keep is 5-volt tolerant IOs. Here we hook up a 5-volt supply directly to the I/O pins. It draws less than a microamp. Here's a prototype of that device that we want to take into production with this Kickstarter campaign. This device can be programmed in BASIC, GCC, both C and C++, as well as mbed tools. To add even more flexibility, it will add a JTAG or serial wire connection. It can be used to configure as both a debugger or device under test. With that, you can program this device with Kyle, IAR, and other Eclipse-based tools. Okay, so let's get some friends together and get this Kickstarter project flying. Thank you.